Congratulations on taking the first step to selling your crafts and artwork online. Here's a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to help you get started on Etsy and other online platforms. Step 1. Research and prepare. 1. Learn about Etsy. Familiarize yourself with Etsy's policies, fees, and guidelines. 2. Research your niche. Identify your target audience and competition. 3. Take high-quality photos. Learn how to take professional-looking photos of your products. 4. Optimize your products. Understand how to use keywords, tags, and descriptions to improve visibility. 5. Create a business plan. Outline your goals, target market, and pricing strategy. Step 2. Create an Etsy shop. 1. Sign up for an Etsy account. Go to Etsy.com and create an account. 2. Choose your shop name. Pick a unique and memorable name for your shop. 3. Set up your shop profile. Complete your profile with a bio, profile picture, and cover photo. 4. Customize your shop's appearance. Choose a theme, add a logo, and customize your shop's design. Step 3. List your products. 1. Create product listings. Write detailed descriptions, set prices, and add photos for each product. 2. Use keywords and tags. Use relevant keywords and tags to improve visibility in search results. 3. Set up variations. Offer different sizes, colors, or materials for each product. 4. Price and shipping. Set prices and calculate shipping costs. Step 4. Optimize your shop for search. Use SEO-friendly titles. Use keywords in your product titles. 2. Write descriptive descriptions. Include keywords in your product descriptions. 3. Use relevant tags. Add relevant tags to your products to improve visibility. 4. Optimize your shop's meta title. Add a unique meta title to your shop. Step 5. Market your shop. 1. Social media integration. Connect your Etsy shop to social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. 2. Email marketing. Build an email list and send newsletters to subscribers. 3. Collaborate with influencers. Reach out to influencers in your niche to promote your products. 4. Paid advertising. Consider running paid ads on platforms like Google AdWords or Facebook ads. Step 6. Provide excellent customer service. 1. Respond to customer inquiries. Respond promptly to customer inquiries and concerns. 2. Offer refunds and exchanges. Establish a clear refund and exchange policy. 3. Monitor reviews. Keep track of customer reviews and respond promptly to any issues. Step 7. Keep your shop up to date. 1. Regularly update products. Add new products, update existing ones, and remove discontinued products. 2. Monitor inventory levels. Keep track of inventory levels and reorder when necessary. 3. Keep your shop's appearance fresh. Regularly update your shop's design and content. Additional tips for beginners. 1. Start small. Begin with a few products and gradually expand your inventory. 2. Focus on quality over quantity. Prioritize creating high-quality products over quantity. 3. Be patient. Building a successful online shop takes time and effort. 4. Stay organized. Keep track of orders, inventory, and finances using tools like spreadsheets or accounting software. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a successful online shop on Etsy and other platforms. Remember to stay focused, patient, and committed to providing excellent customer service. Good luck!